Hi, it's Anne here, and today's video is my 6th update for my Partners in Cream for 2026. So this is a year-long rolling project. Updates are supposed to be on the 10th. This will be a little bit late, and the project was created by Steph and Dylan 3 to 5. I was going to say 5 to 3. That's a weird way of saying it, but still the same thing technically. 3 to 5 cream or liquid products. And like I said, it's rolling. So if you finish something, you can roll something in. I've done little variations on this, but we're keeping it pretty simple. And I feel really good about this update. So let's just roll into it. So the first item is the MAC Strobe Cream. You can almost kind of see it there on the side. There's kind of like a big window in the middle. It's really hard to see any difference on the inside because it kind of sticks to the sides, but I have a weight change and a pretty decent weight change. So last update, this was 60.5 grams. It's now 57.66 grams. That's the difference of 2.84 grams. And in total, I've actually used 11.34 grams. So I'm really, really happy about that. Next up is my foundation. And this is the real winner. I feel like I've been talking about this for like the past few videos. And I'm like, I finally get it to share with you. I finally get to share it with you. It's the Covergirl Olay Simply Ageless Foundation in 225. And look at this, guys. Look how good this is looking. There is so little left. Like, it's really just kind of around the edges on that one side. Like, we've actually finished it on the one bit there. I'm really, really happy with this progress. I am gunning to finish this at this point. This is definitely the product that I am focusing on for foundation. If I use other foundations, that's fine, but I really want to get this finished up in like the next month and a half. That's kind of the aim, which I think is very doable with what's left here. So I'm really, really happy about the progress on this. So last update, this was 60.63 grams. It's now 58.67 grams. That's a difference of 1.96 grams. Next up is my NARS Laguna bronzer. And again, have not hit pan on this. It's so, like, you can really see how well I've got a dip in there. But yeah, unfortunately, I have not hit pan yet. But it looks, if it would focus, it looks so close. Like, we are so close to hitting pan. So again, I feel like next update. I feel like I could bet money that we will hit pan on this. I say that, and then I'm like, oh, crap. I'm kind of looking at it, I'm like, maybe not. We're going to try. That'll be the big win if we can hit pan on this next update. So last update, this was 55 grams. It's now 54.71 grams. That's a difference of 0.29 grams. Again, I feel like my blush is moving along really, really well. This is the Merit Flush Cheek Color in Beverly Hills. And this is where we're at right now. Again, I'll put up the side-by-side of where it was at last month. I think I'm moving along really, really well with this. Last update, this was 23 grams. It's now 22.81 grams. That's the difference of 0.19 grams. Here, any background crinkling, that is Buster. I was going to say Luffy. Buster playing with a little toy back there. I apologize, my lighting is a little off. My little setup's a little off. I have things at quick angle because I did just like quickly throw this together. I'm already late filming it, so my lighting's a bit weird and we're just going with it. So the last product in this is the Kiko Milano Long Listing Eyeshadow Stick. I've got a hair stuck somewhere. There we go. In the shade, I think it's 09. Again, there is no real shade on this. Again, moving along on this, there is a lot of product on this, so I'll just kind of show you what it looks like here. And I'll have this side by side. Hopefully it shows a difference. Visually looking at it like right now mentally, I'm like, I can't really see the difference. But I am using this pretty much every day. I use this as like my eyeshadow base, and then I put eyeshadows on top of it. I'm currently wearing the Color Workshop palette, the Rosy one, and then I threw a couple shades on top from the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. I realized I have not been using like any of my fun palettes, so I pulled out the Flamingo one and the Beige Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles palette. So anyway, tangent, last update, this was 10.86 grams. It's now 10.77 grams. That's a difference of 0.09 grams. So again, moving along. All of these products are moving along. I'm happy with this project. I think this is the project that feels like it's getting the most attention right now, and I'm not mad about that. We're just trying to make the biggest progress. By the end of this project, I'd really like to have this finished, hit pan on this, and maybe about half done on this compared to when we started, because I didn't roll this in until last month, I think. And then this is, we're just making progress on it. I don't think it'll be done by the end of the year, and I if it is, it is. If it isn't, it isn't. I'm kind of neither here nor there with this product particularly. So yeah, nice, real quick, simple update. So if you like this video, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.